Hi guys, this is Dave. So today I flew my drone into a fence. I flew out under this bridge and it got to these shadows and it freaked out. So here you can see I brought it down, it's coming back to the wind. So here I go under the bridge, gets errors from the sensors below the drone, and you can see I bring it down, turn it around, and then I'm bringing it back to me. Here you can see on the ground all the shadows from the bridges, and the sensors on the bottom of the drone didn't like this one bit. So here you can see the wind's behind the drone pushing it around, and here it's like I'm just pushing forward and the drone's moving around in the wind. So here's the telemetry to see the errors I'm getting from the sensors, and you can see that it's like not liking it. So there's the shadow from where I flew out from the rail bridges above, and I should have landed it in hindsight when it started to freak out, but I didn't, and it ended up in a fence. So here you can see I bring it down, go to turn it around to bring it back to me, because it only was a short flight. I thought it was going to be a simple flight, but the wind and the shadows really confused the drone. So here you'll see the errors that I'm getting just before it goes into the fence. And here you'll see in real time and I come back with the wind behind it, and the wind's pushing the drone around here, and then bang. So you can see, I'll show it in slow-mo, and then I'll show you some photos at the end. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave. Bye.